Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today on this episode of my cooking series, I'm going to show you how to make these flavorful, scrumptious tornado potatoes, commonly known as spiral potatoes here in Bhutan. Basically, these are quite similar to the normal fries that we get at restaurants, but what sets them apart from regular fries is that they are deep fried whole potatoes shaped in a spiral manner, inserted in a skewer, and then brushed with various seasonings. First, get 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes that's been thoroughly washed. Then get a chopstick or any wooden spoon and place the potato in between. Doing so will stabilize the potato and prevent yourself from cutting all the way down. Now start slicing the potato in a straight line, then flip it over and do the exact same on the other side, but this time cut it in a slanting manner. Once you're done slicing the potatoes, get some ice, add salt and cold water, then submerge the potatoes in the ice bath. Meanwhile, in another bowl, combine 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and any other seasonings of your choice. Also, 200 ml of water. Now, get few skewers and start inserting into the potatoes. Then, gently fan out the potato down the length of the skewer. Make sure you have enough spaces between the slices so that it gets evenly fried. Coat the potatoes with the flour mixture and deep fry it until golden brown. And there you have it, tornado potatoes made with simple ingredients under 30 minutes. What terus sunnime? Ah. School na ban na?
Ban.